It's your favorite attorney. Order in the courts. Now, this is like a family law question, but it's like a probate question. We all have family members that get sick, that may pass on, and we all know that, there are issues in a lot of families, and people aren't talking. So what do? All right. Can I sue my mother? My father was on life support in the hospital, and my mother nor my 5 sisters notified me about his health. There was a decision to be made about taking him off the life support, and they made the decision without me. I understand that my mother did not need her 6 daughters for this decision, but nobody told me anything about my father being on life support or that he passed away. I had to find out through a friend. I tried for a day to find this info out through the funeral home, and they wouldn't tell me anything because my mom told them not to. What can I do? Be a better child. Be a better child, baby. That's what you can do. Because I'm going to tell you something. I'm not trying to be rude and disrespectful to you. But, bitch, ain't nobody. Girl, ain't nobody talking to you. Girl, ain't nobody. Nobody is talking to you, girl. Okay? Your mama ain't talking to you, baby. None of the other siblings are talking to you. Now, when you have 6 daughters, 6 women, we all know how it is when you put 6 women in a room now. All 6 of them hoes can agree that they don't like you. Girl, there is a problem because it is personalities going back and forth, and women are different and catty and chicken, and they peck and they prod and so, baby, for 6 different women, well, we're gonna add 7 because of your mother. No, it's 6 because it's 6 of y'all and you was left out. Boom. 6 women can come on. They can all decide that it's one thing that they can agree on, and that's that they don't want your ass there. There's a problem, sweetheart, and it starts with you. I need you to figure out what's going on with you. Figure out why people cannot get along with you. Now, you could very well be the black sheep. That could be true. You could very well be the one that's different, that's decided not to live the lie or whatever the hell is going on. But if that's you, then you shouldn't care that they didn't come and get you, because you knew damn well their wishes were not going to be respected by you. So it is what it is, baby. If you got to get in where you fit in, guys, in life. And sometimes you don't fit, okay? So you need to get. And so this is something going on. Your father's on life support. This is a huge decision to be made. His wife is the next of kin, dear. You're not the next of kin, and neither of your sisters are the next of kin. So who technically made the decision was your sisters. If there was no paperwork. Your mother made the decision, excuse me. She allowed your sisters to come in with her on her decision, to make her stronger in her decision. And she can allow whoever she wants to help her. She don't want your help. And how you going to call me or write to try to sue your way into an area that people don't want you, baby? How in the hell is your daddy on life support and you don't know that? So that means you're not talking to him either? Okay? Or did he not want you there? See, we don't know. And I spend my time drafting what's called advanced directives, wills, and otherwise. And you'd be pretty shocked about how your parents feel about your ass for real. A lot of the times, they don't like your ass. And you know when they don't. And you know why. And so we don't need to go there. Okay. And you know what type of relationship you have with them and all of that. So if they don't want you around when shit's getting hard because you're the type of person that's very selfish, you want everything to be about your ass, and it seems like that's what you do because you made this about you. How in the hell is your daddy on life support? He's dead and this is about you, bitch. I don't know, but the whole thing's about you. I understand you're right, but it's about you. So this is what you do to people, okay? You're pretty much overbearing. It's 6 individuals and then there's you. So I don't know what personality disorder your ass has, what form of narcissism, what. I don't know because I'm not a therapist. I don't have a license. I'm not a psychiatrist. But I can tell you something's wrong with your ass, okay? Because whenever I see these type of cases, it's something wrong with you, okay? And the thing is, you shouldn't want in on those who are not like you. It's weird that you're trying to force your way into their little clique, knowing damn well they don't get along with you and you don't like them. And you're trying to make me to help you be very forceful with it. Bitch, they don't want you to go back. Okay? Make it to the funeral if you can figure out what's going on. If they don't want you there, baby, the soul is still alive, the body is gone. His avatar is gone, but his soul is there. And that's something that you should know. Now, I mean, I had the displeasure of my father passing. It's many of us. And we were raised Muslim on my father's side. And things are to go the way they are to go. And that is it. And you know that, ma'am. And he already had it figured out. Because based on what you're telling me, you probably could possibly be Muslim. That's some Muslim stuff. Not to call you at all. And to tell people not to speak to you. That's Muslim. And you know how we are. Don't play games. Next case!
From legal woes to legal wows, attorney Ali Booker has got you covered. Civil lawsuit to CPS knocking on your door.